Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create this type of text effect design in Illustrator. The artboard size is 1920 by 1080. First, go to the Type tool and type the alphabet. I am using Gotham Bold font for this design. Right-click on it and choose Create Outline. Change the fill to Stroke. Go to the Direct Selection tool. Select and delete these anchor points. Right-click on it and choose Ungroup. Right-click again and choose Release Compound Path. Go to the Type tool, click and hold to open the related fonts. And choose the Type on a Path tool. Click on the line. Set the size and type the text. Change its case to upper. Change its font to placard condensed. Copy and paste the text. Repeat the process with the other line. Select both, go to the Type menu, Type on a Path, and Type on a Path options. Check mark the preview, effect to skew, and hit OK. Right-click on it to create outline. Follow my other text settings. Hold the Alt button to make a copy of it. Apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.